Hi, my name is David. Today we're going to do a free CodeCamp tutorial on applied accessibility. So we're going to do improved readability with high contrast text. So sometimes when you get fancy with your coloring, if your text and your background color don't have enough contrast, it can be difficult to read. And this is an example in this browser of something with low contrast. And there's a general guideline for sufficient contrast. And there's the Web Content Accessibility Guidelines. The WCAG recommends at least a 4.5 to 1 contrast ratio for normal text. And how do they get this contrast ratio? Well, the ratio is calculated by comparing the relative luminance values of two values. This ranges from 1:1 for the same color or no contrast, or to 21:1 for white against black, the most suitable contrast. There are many contrast checking tools available online that can calculate it to you. So for this exercise, Campos Cat's choice of light gray text on a white background for his recent blog quiz has a 1.5 to 1 contrast, which is lower than the recommended one. So we want to change the color from the current gray, so this is the color, to a darker gray. So we just copy and paste this value into here. And now we can see there's a higher contrast for this text. And that's it for this one. Thank you so much.